Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. For those just joining us, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I post new contents. This helps me stay on track with delivering to you the right and best contents. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide files and folders on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to open up File Explorer here because we're going to be using this to navigate to whatever files or folders you want to hide. So just keep in mind, there's actually a way to view hidden system files or unhide system files. That's not really what I'm talking about here. This is just if you want to hide certain files or folders from people on your computer and you just don't really want to lock the file down so much, just hide it. So basically, you want to first make sure the View tab, and you want to make sure Hidden Items is unchecked, so make sure it's unchecked here. So we're going to be trying to hide an item which will become unhidden if you show Hidden Items. So just keep that in mind. So it's going to have the same permissions basically as any hidden system file that would be in here once we're done. It doesn't really matter. I didn't really think through a specific folder here, so let me just make one in our Documents folder here. Let me just call it Secret Folder. What we're going to do with this folder, which we can currently right now and hidden files are disabled, so you should not see this. So this folder is not hidden at the moment. So we're going to right-click on this folder. You can do it with a file too. And then you want to select the properties. And then you want to go to the underneath attributes. You want to select the hidden button and then select apply and OK. And there you go. It should disappear once the process is completed. It should not appear in this list anymore. So if we actually backed out of here, you can see the folder we originally created is no longer visible. So now, if you want to make this reappear, just put select view and then check mark hidden items. And now you can see our secret folder is now available. So that's it for our process here, guys. This can be useful if you own a PC, but probably not only you have access to it, this way you get to own your file and keep it safe. As a bonus tip, say, you want to view all the hidden files on your Windows PC. Here's a simple step to follow. Go to the search box of your PC, type in CMD. This should show you the command prompt. Click on Run as an administrator. Then you should see a prompt with System32. You want to then type in dirc column space \a column h \b space \s, then hit enter. This should display the list of all hidden files on your PC and where they are located. This can be very helping if you had a file and couldn't find it on your PC anymore. Using this process, you can now see which file is hidden and where they are hidden. And there you have it. You've learned how to hide files on your PC. Remember to use this knowledge responsibly and for legitimate reasons. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.